Hi, it's Atul Kamath at Kamath Orthopedics. I'm an orthopedic hip and knee specialist in Cleveland, Ohio. I really enjoy orthopedic surgery because every case is different. I may do hundreds of cases of the hip and knee surgical procedures every year and thousands so far in my career, but I treat every individual patient, every case, whether it's a left knee or right knee, whether it's a sports surgery or joint replacement. I treat every patient as a unique case, and every hip and knee is kind of like a fingerprint. So it's bringing this philosophy that every case is new, exciting, different, and very personalized. It's very important in my practice. I see this personalized medicine is really an ability to tailor everyone's individual unique anatomy to what I'm doing at the time of surgery, as well as a lot of the pre-op planning that I utilize. In my preoperative planning, I really do a careful history and physical examination. I then may do other advanced imaging studies or other ways to measure both the function and the form of your hip and knee joint prior to the surgery. And then at surgery, I really embrace cutting edge technology. I've done thousands of orthopedic procedures, but I love combining my expertise with a lot of the cutting edge technology to really personalize that case to that individual patient. And I can take techniques and technology like robotic surgery, for example, to augment my ability as a surgeon and provide a really personalized care. And I've taken this and really made this part of my philosophy, taking a philosophy of every patient is individual and different, combining that with very personalized techniques, both preoperatively, intraoperatively, and in the recovery period, and then crafting this into what I would look at as a very personalized practice. And that's where I would enjoy taking care of you from a hip and knee perspective, but taking your individual case, your individual anatomy, and your individual function, and then really producing a result that matches you very, very closely. And from that standpoint, I look forward to taking care of you for your hips and knees at Kamath Orthopedics. We'll provide very personalized care for your hip and knee joints. Take care and see you soon.